Being disabled is the first thing people see. And of course, it's a big part of my reality. But it's not who I am. It's not the only thing I am. Disability doesn't define me.
2 weeks ago, I became a glass explorer. It meant I could do things I thought I wouldn't be able to do anymore.
Take a picture. And that's forever.
The last time I tried to go camping was the time I was in a car accident. Okay, Glass, Google, what is a felling axe? And here I am, a year and a half later. This trip will be the first time I'm apart from a caregiver for more than just a few hours.
In 600 feet, turn left.
Glass allows me to regain that confidence. And when I overcome a challenge,
Hey, we're here!
like becoming the navigator,
That's how you did it.
I gain a little bit of that confidence I had before the accident back. And that doesn't go away.
We need marshmallow sticks.
Are there bears in the Catskills?
Take a picture.
Being here with my friends is really meaningful
Yeah, this is awesome.
because these people have supported me and been with me the whole time.
Okay, Glass, take a picture.
It's been amazing to feel a sense of independence and nature with people I love.
Okay, Glass, share with family. Thank you.
I'm Alex Blashchuk. I'm a law student, an amateur photographer. I'm more than meets the eye.